We're going to be investigating the combustion of when methane reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. The balanced equation is CH4 plus O2 reacts to produce CO2 plus H2O. To balance this, we can see that the carbon atoms are equal on both sides, whereas on the left-hand side there are 4 hydrogen atoms, whereas on the right-hand side there are 2 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, we need to put a big 2 in front of the H2O. On the right-hand side, there are 4 oxygen atoms in total, whereas on the left-hand side, there are 2 oxygen atoms. Therefore, we need to put a 2 in front of the O2. To investigate the products of combustion, we need a Bunsen burner. The methane gas flows in through the orange tube into the Bunsen burner. We leave the air hole open where air flows into the Bunsen burner. The methane and oxygen react to produce carbon dioxide and water, releasing a lot of heat energy in the form of a blue flame. The apparatus needed for this experiment is a filter funnel to collect the gases. These gases flow through the orange delivery tube, which is connected to a U-shaped tube, which is then connected to another delivery tube, which takes the gases into a test tube. It's really important to put ice around the U-shaped tube. And then in the test tube is Limewater. In the U-shaped tube, we place white anhydrous copper sulfate. This is copper sulfate without any water. This blue flame is heat energy released from combustion. Although you can't see the products, both water is produced and carbon dioxide is produced, both colourless gases which rise up into the filter funnel and flow through the delivery tube down to the U-shaped tube. These gases continue to flow where they eventually get to the U-shaped tube where the water causes the copper sulfate to turn blue. This proves the presence of water. The ice is needed as it causes the water to condense. The colourless carbon dioxide gas continues to flow through the delivery tube where it eventually gets to the test tube containing Limewater. The carbon dioxide is bubbled through the Limewater as shown by these really small bubbles in the test tube. The carbon dioxide being bubbled through causes a white precipitate to form. We see that the Limewater goes from colourless to cloudy. This proves the presence of carbon dioxide. Instead of cloudy, you can also say milky as well as an observation. Press pause to answer the questions, and the answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video.